Welcome to this tutorial on how to upload and create courses with the CSV import feature in HyLabs. Before starting, ensure you meet the prerequisites shown on the screen. To begin, take the RDP of your HyLabs server using local administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the path /program files, x86, /accops /hyworks /service /. Inside this directory, create a root folder named RMS-CSV import. Within this folder, create a course CSV folder named Courses. Paste your course CSV template into this Courses folder. Now, let's edit the CSV. This file contains several important fields that determine how the course data is processed during import. The first field is Use VDI. If it is set to 1, the course will be imported. If the course has already been imported and the value is changed to 0, the system will delete it. If it's a new entry and the value is 0, the course will not be imported at all. Any other value, such as 2 or an alphabetic string like ABC, is considered invalid, and the record will be skipped. Next is the class code, which is a mandatory field. It must be a unique identifier for the course, with a maximum of 16 characters. Allowed characters include letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores. If the field is left blank or contains unsupported characters, an error will occur, and the record will not be imported. The class display name is also required and should represent the course title. This field supports letters, numbers, spaces, hyphens, and even Unicode characters. Leaving it blank or entering invalid characters will result in import failure. The classroom field is optional and can be used to indicate where the course is hosted, such as Lab 1. Similarly, the department field allows you to specify an academic department. Both these fields are optional and will not cause errors if left blank. The group field lets you categorize the course under a group name. This is also optional and has no impact on import success if left empty. The max participant field is mandatory. It defines the maximum number of students allowed to join the course. You must enter a numeric value between 0 and 99,999, leaving it blank, entering letters, or specifying a number outside the accepted range will cause the import to fail for that record. Finally, the realm name indicates the organization under which the course falls within the HyLabs environment. This is helpful when multiple institutions share the same setup. If this field is left blank, the system will use the default organization. However, if an invalid realm name is entered, the course record will not be imported. After making the necessary changes to the CSV, save the file. Now, log into the HyLabs console using administrator credentials. Navigate to the CSV Configurations tab and click on Add CSV Import Profile. Enter a profile name and check the active box to enable it. Under Enable CSV Import for, select Courses. In the Read CSV from Line Number field, specify the line number from which data should be read. This allows you to skip headers or any non-data rows at the top of the file. Choose the correct encoding type, such as UTF-8, ANSI, or Unicode, to ensure the system interprets special characters properly. Set the import frequency to either hourly or daily, and if you choose daily, specify the exact time you want the import to run. Click Next to proceed. In the next step, choose your import location. You can select either a folder path or a network path. In case of using network path, provide the necessary domain credentials like domain username and password to authorize access. For using the folder path, enter both the root path and the specific course CSV folder name. Use the separator, column separation, and multi-value separation settings to define how values in the CSV are parsed. Once everything is configured, click Save. Your courses will now be automatically created when the scheduled time arrives. To run the process manually, click Import Now. The system will show you the total number of records, along with how many succeeded and how many failed. You can also edit or delete existing profiles as needed to keep your CSV import setup up to date. To validate your setup, log into HyLabs console with RMS admin access and navigate to the Courses tab on the Management console. You should see the corresponding entries matching those in the Excel sheet. If you want to view logs, log into the primary HyWorks Management console and go to the Logs section. If you want to view logs related to the uploaded CSV file, navigate to the folder location, C:\program files, x86, /accops /hyworks /service /rms CSV import /. Open the folder named the same as the CSV import profile you created in HyLabs. The first folder named Fail will contain records that failed to process, along with the reasons for the failures. The second folder, Processed, holds records that have been successfully processed. The third folder, Processing, is used for records that are currently being processed. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded and created courses with the CSV import feature in HyLabs. For more information, visit our documentation portal at docs.accops.com or contact our support team for assistance.